Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts, and today I will introduce you our hot sealing valve assembly. And let's take a look. And firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI and T-Ross bag. And here this is the label. The first one of the label is our Shumatt brand. And the product code is F00VC01380. Actually, for this kind of logo, the label, the packages, etc., all we can support customize the service. And now let's check the inside. In the inside of it, plastic bottles can be better, avoid some damages during the translation. And inside, one layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. For this one, applicable injector number is 044511035. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange. For this one, applicable injector number is 044511035. Applicable for vehicle core is Opel Vauxhall. Let's check it. That's the valve cap. There with the coating figures here. This is the valve rod. Actually, I'd like to mention that if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean with the oil, don't clean with the water. So much for the introductions. Actually, if you want to know more details, please send us better comments or feel free to contact us waiting for our news. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.